Is Roblox so bad, bro? Like, why is Roblox deleting? Why is Roblox deleting? Please donate, bro. Like, what's wrong with your Roblox? Like, the game didn't did anything to you, bro. Like, what? Why are you deleting it, bro? Now I can't get free Roblox now, bro. Ain't no way, bro. This. Why did the creator did that, bro? Like, what? What? Like, hasn't worked so hard to make that game, bro. Like, you're just gonna wait. You're just gonna vanish it like it's nothing to you, bro. Like, it's nothing to you. Like, are we serious? I'll grow up with that game. I'll grow up with the game, bro. Hasn't. Roblox, are you kidding me, bro? Like, you're very losing it. You're losing it, bro. You're losing it. It's like, why delete a game that is work so hard on? You're just gonna vanish it like it's nothing. Like, they work so hard, day and night, okay? And you're just gonna delete it like it's nothing to you. Are you even human, bro? Like, what? You kidding me? Like, why delete a game instead of your game, bro? What? Like, that's impossible, bro. That's impossible to think. You're very addicted to money, don't you, bro? That you delete a game and make your own and make it not for free. Like, wow. Like, wow. Is that even your idea, bro? That idea is stupid. That idea is stupid, bro. Like, why delete it app? Okay. Why would you delete a game that is not yours? That's messed up, bro. Like, I'm gonna quit Roblox. I'm gonna quit Roblox. I'll quit Roblox, bro. I can't even get free Robux now because of you. This is so... Bro, what? Like, I'd give up. Everything. I give up. Everything. I'm just gonna work at McDonald's. That will be good enough, right? That will be good enough if I work in McDonald's. Or I'll work in I would work as a house cleaner, bro. That would be just nice. Or what? Like that's messed up, Roblox. I give up. I give up everything.